Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a BedSure heated blanket and instead of giving you the temperature, it's giving you an F1 error on the controller and you're trying to figure out what is this error and how can you get rid of it. So basically, the F1 error is an electronic glitch because it's not getting the proper electricity in order to heat the blanket. So what you need to do to get rid of this error is first of all, just turn off your blanket, and then you want to unplug it from the wall. And then once you've got it unplugged from the wall, you just want to check all of the connections. So, and that includes where, if you're using, a power strip, where the power strip is plugged into the wall, if it's an extension cord, where the wiring goes into the controller, where the wiring comes out of the controller. Make sure all the wiring and all the connections are solid throughout the whole thing. Then you can plug it back in and turn it back on. And if you get all the connections together again, then you should be able to get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.